There are 4 rules to fusion knitting. The rules for one-color fusion knitting are very similar to those for two-color fusion knitting. There are 3 kinds of stitches on your needles for fusion knitting. There are background stitches, and they form the background of the fabric. On your needles, they'll present as knit stitches. There are also design stitches that face the front of the work. You'll see these as the design that is facing you. They present as knit stitches on your needles. There are also design stitches on the back of your work. I call these design stitches that are facing away from you. These present as purl bumps on your needles. Let's see how we work each of those kinds of stitches. These first few stitches are background stitches. Background stitches are always purled. The next 2 stitches are design stitches facing the front. Design stitches that face the front are always knit through the back loop. The next 2 stitches present with purl bumps. They are design stitches that face the back. Those will be slipped purlwise with our yarn in front. I'll continue knitting according to the rules of fusion knitting. I'll be purling all the background stitches, knitting all the design stitches that face the front through the back loop, and I'll be slipping all the design stitches that face the back purlwise with my yarn in front. The 4th rule of fusion knitting is only used when the cables are traveling and you're on a side 2 row. This is side 1 of the fabric. There are cables that travel to the right and to the left. This is side 2 of the fabric. There are cables that will travel to the left and to the right. The 4th rule of fusion knitting says that after completing a side 2 row, there can be no background stitches between the side 1 design stitches and the side 2 design stitches. When I work this next row, I'm going to move this design stitch so it's immediately beside the design stitch that's on the back. Likewise, for this next cable, I'm going to move this design stitch so it's immediately beside this design stitch that's on the back.